Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today yet another interesting and exciting recipe, and today it is the fresh prawns recipe. I've been lucky to get this large size prawns. First thing, you need to clean your prawns well. And don't forget to devein the prawns. I've shown the cleaning and the deveining of the prawns in my other two prawns recipes. I'm giving the link in the description. Do watch them. And friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. Do share with your family and friends, and don't forget to press the thumbs up to like my recipe. Now let's season the prawns with half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. This is very little ginger garlic paste. Friends, you need to really use very less taste enhancers in this recipe so that we maintain the natural flavors of the prawns. These are fresh prawns and they are very delicious. Keep the prawns aside for about 10 minutes. Until then, let's cut the vegetables. Now there are various recipes of prawns chili fry. This is my version of the prawns chili fry. Now here I'm going to slice the onions. I also have here colored peppers, which I'm going to use just a quarter of each of this pepper. This will add a pop of color into my chili fry, and also the peppers give a kind of unique flavor to the chili fry. And slice the tomato and slit the chilies as well. Roughly chop your coriander. Fresher the coriander, the better it is. Now heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add about 1 tablespoon of butter. Now butter is totally optional, but it keeps the prawns nice, soft and juicy. Once the butter has melted, add the prawns and saute them for about 2 minutes, stirring them on high flame. By 2 minutes, the prawns are almost done. Turn off the flame and keep them aside. Ensure that you do not overcook the prawns. Overcooking these large size prawns makes them chewy. Now add about another 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok. And add the onions and saute them for about 2 minutes. I don't want the onions to be completely brown. I just want them to be kind of translucent. Once the onions are almost done, I'm going to add here half teaspoon of cumin seeds. This helps in digestion. You can see that the onions have already become a little soft. I'm going to cook them till they are translucent, but yet they have the little crunch kind of in that. At this stage, add the tomato and cook it for about another 1 minute. Now add the sliced green chili. Now here, to give that authentic Goan flavor, I'm using here 3 kokum pieces. I have not soaked them. You may soak and use them as well. Now add the peppers. See, you can see they give a nice vibrant color to your chili fry. Add a pinch of turmeric powder to this so that it gives a little color. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder. This adds a little spice to your chili fry. And here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili vinegar and 1 teaspoon of chili paste. These are real natural taste enhancers. Give it a good mix. Now at this stage, add the required salt to taste. I did not add the salt earlier because if you add the salt, the onions and the veggies start releasing its water and they become soft. As I've just added at the end of it. Just give it a mix with the salt and add your sauteed prawns to it. You can see all the veggies still retain a little of crunch in them. They're not overcooked. Give it a good mix. Combine together and cook for a minute, stirring them occasionally. A pure comfort food. Friends, this is a perfect delicacy that you need to try. I like to add a generous amount of this coriander. Give it a good mix, and that's it. And here, friends, my delicious prawns chili fry is ready to be relished. Can't wait to taste this, friends. Do try this at your home with your family and friends. This is a perfect, relishing, delectable prawns chili fry. Can you resist this, friends? If not, do try this, my version of the prawns chili fry with the Goan binda salt. That gives it the perfect Goan flavors of the chili fry. Thank you for watching. See you next week with yet another exciting recipe. Until then, watch my other prawns recipes. The playlist I am giving in the description. God bless you.